I'm down here in Pueblo, Colorado. This is the chili pepper capital of the Rocky Mountains, baby. I'm here with my friends from Musso Farms. We're gonna have a blast and we're gonna start things out with some green chili chorizo smashburgers.
Let's give it a try.
We're down here on Union and C Street in downtown Pueblo, Colorado.
Let's get going with our green chili chorizo smash burgers. We're gonna start things off with some chorizo. Look at this. I'm a Colorado proud item, so we picked up some Colorado made chorizo. Now, if you don't live in the American Southwest, perhaps you don't know about chorizo. It's basically a Mexican sausage, and as you can see, it has lots of cumin, red chili, Mexican oregano, and beautiful spices. We're gonna start out by making some meatballs with the chorizo, and I'm not measuring these today. We're out here having fun. You can hear the chili roasters behind us. I'm gonna make these somewhere between a quarter, third pound, somewhere in that neck of the woods. This happens to be the 28-inch Pro Series, baby. We have it on high. You can use any kind of coconut oil, folks. I just grabbed, as I was walking out the door, avocado oil. It could be olive oil, whatever you want to use. So a little bit of avocado oil, and these are our patties here. So these are approximately a quarter pound chorizo. We're gonna put those down. All right, got my Blackstone press and sear burger tool, a little bit of parchment paper here, and we're gonna press these bad boys down. Maybe, I don't know, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Fill them up. And, oh, there we go. We should have the makings, and those will shrink in a little bit. Makings of our smash burger patties. Now, these are chorizo, so of course we've got all those good spices in there already, but we could certainly hit these up with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, or it just so happens that I happen to have Blackstone's Taco Fajita or the tequila lime. What are you feeling you're in the mood for?
I'm kind of feeling like some tequila lime.
Okay, I guess we're going with tequila lime today, folks. It's got cumin, red chili, but of course it's got a great lime flavor in there as well. Now, smash burgers, these things cook up super duper quick. And meanwhile, look what Joey just brought me here. He brought me some Pueblo chili. So this is the hot variety here. And this is what it's all about. This is what we're here at the festival for. So let's grab our cutting board over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the tops off these. I'm wearing gloves, so this makes it easier, folks. Gonna open them up. We'll just pull the seeds out like that, most of them. And those are gonna be good to go. We're gonna throw those on top when we're done here. Straight down with some extra sharp cheddar cheese. Picked up some Talera rolls at the local bakery here. For this recipe, I'd go with a Talera or maybe a torta roll, a ciabatta roll, anything but a regular hamburger bun, and a little bit of mayo inside the bun. Use this in place of butter. I just found that it helps. It gets a more golden crust on the inside of the bread, and it just seems like it works a little bit better than butter for toasting bread. Buns down on the griddle top. Meanwhile, the patties are looking perfect. I think they are just about ready to go. I'm gonna take my green chilies here. In this case, we got the hot, so the Pueblo, the hot version. There, we're gonna put those right on top. Traditional, if you wanted to, I guess you could chop these things up, but traditional would be sort of just to do that. We're gonna do a double patty on these today. So we're gonna go ahead and stack these up like so. Oh, man. Let's see if our rolls are ready. Oh yeah, look at that, perfect. Nice toast over there. We're gonna put those down over here. Gonna grab our stack, our double stack Colorado chorizo with Blackstone's tequila lime, of course, a muso, Pueblo chili, roasted fresh, and sharp cheddar cheese, baby. Oh, man. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try.
That's amazing.
Nothing like getting a fresh chili. On a side note, I think using the chorizo is a great idea. Maybe just a plain pork sausage or a chorizo as well. Why? We're always doing beef smash burgers. I've had a blast hanging out here in Pueblo at the Chilies and Frijoles Festival. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the green chili chorizo smash burger. And look who just showed up, my new friend. What's your name?
Art?
Art?
Christina.
Christina, they're from Parker, Colorado, so just down the road from where we're living. Grab one, folks. So this is a Pueblo big gym, so these are the medium, and these are the double. Look at that, look at that. Double chorizo smash burger. Let's give them a toast, and let's give it a try.
Oh my goodness. Yes,
Go ahead, be candid.
yes, that is amazing.
That's really
I got one extra.
How much was it?
Free.
You're kidding me.
No, we're doing a video, but you gotta smile for the camera. Take a bite on camera. Will you do it? All right. All right, here we go.
Fabulous.
Cheers.
Chin chin.
Can I have one of these?
Yeah, go ahead. So these are
Musos?
muso, the medium, the big gym, a double chorizo smash burger with cheddar, tequila lime seasoning. Man,
Fabulous. Look at all this.
thanks
The
so much.
chilies are
Appreciate you
good.
guys stopping by. Oh my goodness, thanks so much. Yeah, have a good rest of the day, guys.